Hey y'all, I hope you're doing super well. I am so excited for this video, but before I get right into it, please kindly remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and please turn on your post notifications for more updates. I have a brunch date with a friend of mine and I'm gonna get ready. I just finished doing my eyebrows. I actually did my eyebrows in the morning when immediately I showered, after I showered. So right now I'm gonna be sorry y'all, that was my mom calling me downstairs. She had visitors that she wanted me to like go see. So yeah, I'm just quickly gonna do my face and come back when I'm done because I literally am so late right now. I was supposed to be done at 12 p.m. like at 12 p.m. sharp. We're supposed to be leaving. So right now it's 12:52, so at least by 1:30 I should be done with everything, and then I'll let you guys know how I look and show you guys, and also go with you guys to the brunch. Hey y'all, so I'm done with my makeup, but I am so annoyed. Like, I'm literally so annoyed, guys. It's raining. Okay, it's almost gonna rain and the lighting is changing, and I was really hoping when I get there I was gonna get some nice cute pictures, you know. So I'm really not happy, but hopefully the lighting will get better. And I said I'm gonna be leaving the house at 1:30 and it's literally 1:49. So yeah, thunder, like there's literally endless thunder. See, that's how you know that it's gonna rain a lot. That's my mom in the background, by the way, so I don't mind. So I'm gonna be booking transport 2:27, and if you remember, I said I'm gonna be leaving the house at 1:30 and we were supposed to be meeting at 12 p.m. I'm a mess. Hey y'all, so I'm waiting for my friend. She's almost here, and I'll definitely order when she gets here because I don't want it to be so awkward. Like, having to eat before someone gets here, it's gonna be very tasty. And yeah, so I'm definitely waiting for her to get here, and then I will be able to order. Guys, this girl is so late, y'all. I'm gonna eat. I'm starving so much. So I think I won't wait for her anymore. She will be my meeting, honestly, because she is so late. I've been waiting here for like almost an hour, like 40 minutes. She is such a late comer, and I actually thought I was late. So yeah.
Few moments later.
Y'all, this girl has literally got here right now after an hour. But like 1 hour ago, she was like she's 5 minutes away. So I don't know how to feel. Can you please explain yourself, ma'am?
Honey, shit happens. Shit happens.
Let me show you guys what we're doing. Yeah, I think that is fine. What is your other? Here we go. Thank you, Lucy.
Should I put on nails?
That's so good. You get what I mean? Like, 3 cameras alone is already
And the
like,
white and
yeah.
it's very I'm showing you, but I'm Yes, yeah. I think I should use this one. No! You want it to swim? It's fine.
Hey guys, so I just got back home. Y'all, I'm so tired. Like, I'm really exhausted. I don't even know why I'm still wearing the mask, but I am so tired. We had so much fun. We took a lot of pictures. This is what I got. I got this actually got these yesterday. I was so tired. This is the packaging and everything. These are so beautiful, guys. I'm highly obsessed. They are so beautiful. The detailing of the shoes, everything. Like, everything. Because I was looking for like nice classy sandals or push-ins, whatever you call them, and these are just fabulous. I'm in love with them. So yeah, shoes, I really look at the detail, because this is what actually makes the shoe stand out. So I look at what makes the shoe stand out, and I look at how I'm gonna style it. So if a shoe is like this, you can easily tell the type of way that you want to style it. And yeah, it's so beautiful. I just got that and just wanted to share with you guys. Maybe I'll put out this. This will be maybe this will be the end of this vlog, because this is literally a day in my life. Then I'm gonna post this some days to come, and then yeah, so this is it. Bye guys, love you guys so much. Bye. Bye babe.
I for a YouTuber.
Yeah, okay, bye. Let me do my YouTube video.
Alright, baby, sure.
Shop. Hey guys. Ooh, this is so long. Hey y'all, welcome to the Sunday vlog. But let me tell you all the truth is that I'm not gonna be vlogging today. I am so tired. It's in the morning. I have so much to do today. I had to clean my room, not clean because it's already clean, but I have to like, I bought some stuff from IKEA a few days ago, so I want to like put my paintings, I want to put redo everything. Say thank you guys for watching this vlog. Yesterday was so fun, and I think I'm gonna end it right here because I want to do everything in my room and prepare. I have to also study for my test tomorrow. Being a varsity student is not easy, honestly. And yeah, I just want to end this video here, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe.